Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Coffee Mate's Bagel login error in simple and easy steps. Step 1. First close the app. First close the Coffee Mate's Bagel app completely. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and pause. Then find the Coffee Mate Bagel app. Then swipe it up to close it. Now reopen the app and try logging in again. Step 2. Check your internet connection. First make sure your internet is working. Open Safari and try loading any website. If it does not load, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Then open Coffee Mate Bagels and try logging in again. Step 3. Update the app. Now open the App Store or Google Play Store. Then tap on profile icon in the top right corner. Then tap on apps and scroll down to see available updates. If Coffee Mate Bagel appears, tap update. After updating, open the app and try logging in again. Step 4. Restart your iPhone. Press and hold the side button and either volume button. Then slide to power off. Wait about 10 seconds. Then turn it back on. Once it restarts, open Coffee Mate's Bagel and try logging in again. Step 5. Check server status. If you still can't log in, the issue might be with Coffee Mate's Bagel servers. Open Safari and search Coffee Mate's Bagel server status. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. And that's how you can fix Coffee Mate's Bagel login error. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.